Hello friends, in this class we will discuss about the how to create Spring Boot application by using Spring Initializer. So just go to the site start.spring.io. Let me go to the site. Just go to google.com and type here Spring Initializer. Spring Initializer and open the first link. If you open the first link, you can see Spring Initializer site, and here we can see there are many options such as Java version 17. So first we need to check Java version has been installed or not in our machine, as Spring Initializer recommended to install Java 17 as this is the stable version with Spring Boot 3.1.5. So you can see by default 3.1.5 version is selected in Spring Boot section as this is the stable version. So Spring Initializer recommended that you can go with 3.1.5 as this is the stable version, and Java 17 is the compatible version with 3.1.5 Spring Boot. So first of all we need to check Java 17 has been installed or not in our machine. If not installed, then we need to install. And the second point is Maven or Groovy or Gradle. Let me check Java install or not. To check Java install or not, go to run command and here type cmd and enter, and you can see the command prompt has been opened here, and here you write the command java space hyphen hyphen version, okay, and enter. You can see Java is not recognized, means Java has not been installed in my machine. I will install Java. To install Java, just go to google.com. Okay, here you can type Java 17 download and enter. Why I have added Java 17 download? As Spring recommended. So if you search with Java 17 download, you can see there are many links. Just click on the first link. If you click on the first link, then one new tab will be open here, and in this tab you can find the 17 version exe download for Windows. So yeah, you can see here Windows x64 installer, and here on the right side you can see the link. Just click on the link. Okay, one exe file will be downloaded. So once download the exe file, just you have to double click to run the exe file. If you have already installed 70 version, then you can skip this process. Otherwise you have to install the Java 17. I am repeating again why I have chosen Java 17, as Spring recommended the stable version of Spring Boot is 3.1.5 and 3.1.5 is compatible with Java 17. Okay, yeah, exe file has been downloaded. Just go to the file and double click here. If you double click the file, then follow the steps. Okay, here you can click next. Just go with the default option. It will be installed in 2-3 minutes. Then we will check Java version in our window machine. It is in progress. Yes, here you can close successfully. You can see the message 17.0.9 has been successfully installed. Okay, once finish the installation, you can go to the C folder then program files folder, then Java folder. You can see JDK-17 folder has been created, and inside JDK-17 folder you can see bin, conf, also other folder has been created, and files also. So go to the bin folder. Inside the bin folder you can see many files, DLL files, and also few uh, exe file has been created, and just copy the URL, bin URL from here, and go to the your run, and here you can type edit environment variable for your account. Okay, edit environment variables for your account. Click on edit environment variable for your account. Then you can see there are many properties has been added already. So here you need to add a new property called java underscore home, in capital letter, java underscore home. Okay, and paste the path that you have copied from here, and remove the bin folder. Okay, so home path is before the bin directory path. Okay, you need to add java home path in your edit environment variable section. Okay, then click on OK. Then again the next step is go to the path properties. You can see the path properties here. Open the path properties, click on path properties, and click on edit button. You can see there are many properties has been added here. Just create a new one, new, and paste the path, bin directory of path. Okay, click on OK, and then next. OK, works, and right here cmd, click on command prompt and check java version. To check java version we have to write java space hyphen hyphen version. Okay, you can see java version here. That means java 17 has been installed now in my machine. So now we can create the Spring Boot application. Okay, in the next class I will create a simple Spring Boot application. See you in the next class. Bye bye.